guys? Tyler here, and today we're just going to talk about a few resources for new investors that could help get your feet off the ground a little bit when it comes to getting knowledge on this kind of stuff. I have a couple listed out here for you guys, and all of these I personally use myself, which if you value my opinion at all, then it means something to you, but they are resources that I could personally vouch for. I'm not affiliated with any of these, so let's get right into it and stop wasting time. The first is Yahoo Finance. I use this for my income statements and balance sheets mainly within a company. Yahoo Finance has a bunch of great information. Also, for Yahoo Finance, they have a YouTube page where they constantly have a stream going where you can watch live people talk about stocks, so that's helpful if you're interested in that. I don't personally use that part of it, but between that, the income statement, and the balance sheets, this is a very helpful site to use to get information and to really start looking at companies on that higher level. You also have normal business news sites, so if you have Twitter, you can follow the Twitter pages of some of these sites. But what I recommend and what I personally have started using recently, they're not sponsoring this video, but Morning Brew is actually it takes like 10 seconds to sign up for. It's completely free, and they are great for kind of hip and trendy business news, and they present it in a way that isn't boring to you, basically. So if you're interested in signing up for that and getting an email 6 days a week, go ahead and sign up for Morning Brew. Just type it in on Google. On Twitter, I recommend you follow like the New York Times Twitter. There's also Bloomberg and entrepreneurial type Twitter handles that give a lot of great information for absolutely free if you're on Twitter. If not, you can still look into the New York Times online and various newspapers to get business news that way as well. If you are looking into a stock on a deep level, you want to go to the investors relation page on that stock's website. This has a ton of valuable information and really helps you wrap your head around like what the potential dangers are, why you it really just helps investors understand basically why you would want to buy a company, and it does a lot of the thinking for you. Now sure, they're going to try to make this look pretty good, but it always helps to have that different perspective and that information put in front of you. So definitely check out the investor relations pages of your companies that you are looking into, if they so have them. And YouTube is great. There's a lot of junk here on YouTube, I'm going to be honest, but honestly, there are some really good sources and some really good channels. I made a whole video on this, so if that at all interests you, check out that video on my channel talking about the best YouTube channels for finance, but not just YouTube channels. It's just like there's the streams for Yahoo Finance. That's very helpful. You can look at stuff like Warren Buffett interviews. That's helpful. Pretty much anything. Audiobooks for self-growth and intelligence. Those will help you. Motivational speakers. Really, guys, anything is on this platform that you are looking for. The information has never been easier to obtain, especially for free. So go ahead and look into that. Then the last one here I have for you guys is books. You can use Audible to listen to them in audiobook form, or you can actually buy them. Totally up to you. Sometimes I use both, honestly. But one book that I recommend everybody reads is Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book could potentially change your life. And it is the first finance book that I read that really got my head going. Like, wow. There's basically two sides of this world. There's two perspectives in the realm of the economy and making money. And there are secrets. There are secrets that need to be revealed that the public is just not thinking about. So that book for less than $10 is a great read, and I guarantee that if you get that, it'll be worth your money. So with that being said, those are some resources to get you guys started. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop me one of these. Help the channel out, help us grow a little bit, and subscribe as well for more. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.